Okay, we're out with the FMS Mini Corsair 800 mil. Had it around for a while, tad beat up, but figured I'd bring it back out and try it again. Upgraded it to 3S, used to be 2S like the Mustang. Now it's 3S, so we'll give her a shot. Right, enjoy the flight. Woohoo, bit of a dip there. Ooh, she's touchy. Well, I gotta put a lot of trim into it. Still diving. Wow. This 3S battery makes it a little tad nose heavy. That's like half throttle right now. Should go up forever. Wow, fast downwind. Now I get all these ready because come winter, I'm not flying big planes, so I just fly these little ones at the park all winter in the snow. And they should be good. Oh, big loop. Straight at us. I don't know if you can see it or not. Nice slow pass. Yeah, I don't know why I haven't had it out in a while. It's fun playing. See the wind just popping it all over the place. At home, no wind. Here, really windy. It looks like there's a storm just to the southwest of here. And maybe to the north. Possibly. So I could be just in the center of all that. Loop. Roll. Okay, we'll slow her down. We'll bring her in and land it. I've got to set the timer on this. So, throttle off. Just coasting in, coasting in. Whoa! Touched my truck. I bet you I couldn't do that again. Wow! I bet you I got scrape marks on the roof of my truck. I don't know if you heard it. I hit the truck. Wind's going this way and it pushed it over and it hit the truck. Didn't hurt the plane any. Let's walk over and take a look at the truck. Can't believe I just did that. Oh yeah, I brought that. I don't know, it's kind of windy. Maybe we'll bring that up. Maybe we won't. I'll just tuck this in here for a moment. Let's see if there's any marks on my roof. Yeah, scratch right there. Sweet. I couldn't do that again if you paid me. Alright, thanks for watching.